going to examine the types of writing that would be in an elementary classroom. Our writers learn to write for a variety of purposes, and you need to make sure that your classroom activities revolve around multiple purposes of writing. There are three main types of writing in an elementary classroom. We have narrative writing, and this is where we write stories with beginning, middle, and end. These are our fictional stories or realistic fiction, although sometimes we have young writers that write narrative stories that are true about experiences that happen to them. But any kind of story, true or made up, that follows the format of beginning, middle, and end with setting and characters would be a narrative story. The second type of writing in an elementary classroom is persuasive writing. And this is where we are asking students to write to change an opinion or help make a decision. They're backing up their writing with facts or opinions that are going to push a reader in one way or another. The last sort of writing is expository writing, and sometimes in classrooms this is just called informational writing, but this is where a student writes to teach something or share factual information. Many times when we're writing for content areas of math, science, social studies, we're asking students to share what they've learned, and we can do that in many forms. It doesn't just have to be a story. It can be making a brochure, writing a commercial, writing a letter to somebody, but we want to do that in a way that allows them to teach what they know and share this information. So narrative, persuasive, and expository, the three main types of writing you'll see in elementary classrooms. These areas must be explicitly taught, and so children need to know there are three different types of writing, and it's going to look and sound different depending on the purpose of their writing. They also must have a variety of opportunities to write in each of these formats. For each area, rubrics are developed, and they need to see that the skills are different that they'll be assessed on depending on the type of writing they're doing for the day or for the week. And the more they become familiar with those rubrics, the more they can self-assess and learn the guidelines for each type of writing.